In the Introduction to Aseptic Processing course, we teach you to make sure that no foreign substances get into your product. This process includes proper GMP gowning, procedures of handling of hazardous liquids, and aseptic connections, as well as proper PPE following standard operating protocols and batch records as per industry standard. This also includes proper environmental monitoring, where we would then plate and test to make sure that there was no growth on any of your gloves or gowning when going in and out of open processing. Thank you for considering the Introduction to Aseptic Processing. If you're interested, please visit our website. Thank you and see you soon.